You can't stop a breakup, but you can control what happens after. I know, because back in the day, girls left me left and right. Why? Because I had no power, no respect for myself. I was broke, I was an addict, I was not a man, and I had nothing. At 27 years old, I had nothing to my name. And when she leaves, begging won't save it, bleeding won't fix it. Because she already decided you are not the man she wants. She already decided it. And I wasn't the man. But here's the truth. Most men never get. Listen, that's not the end. That's the beginning. That's the test. Instead of chasing her, I rebuilt myself. I hit the gym harder. I built a business. I started to take care of my family, and I created a life so undeniable that every girl who left me back then, every single one of them ended texting me back. And that's the best revenge that you can have. Not words, not begging, not crying, building a life so powerful, so unshakable that the people who doubted you to begin with now regret ever walking away. And just know this, simps, they chase, kinks, they build. And when you build, you become a man they can't ignore. That's the path, whatever it takes.